Hey there everybody, this is Freddy over at Platinum Auto World once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Honda that just came in. This right here is a 2013 Honda Civic SI 2.4 liter manual transmission. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick walk around and show you guys a little bit of the interior. All right, I hope this video gives you a better idea of what this car looks like in person. Give us a call if you have any questions at 540-898-8300. If you have Facebook or Instagram, please feel free to give us a follow. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This vehicle is available now at driveplatinum.com. 540-898-8300. Thank you very much for watching.